Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Obviously I'm Wayne, big doho there I suppose. But I've been a DIYer all my life. My parents were, my grandparents were. The background there was mostly textile and farming industry, so there wasn't a lot of income. You didn't have a lot of choice but to do things yourself. And that's how I was taught coming up. My dad was a good teacher when I was young, and I was always involved in the things that he was trying to repair around the house, and he taught me as much as he could. Unfortunately, when I was 15 years old, my dad was killed in a wreck, and that really changed things a lot for me. It put a lot more pressure on me to try and fix things around the house that my mom couldn't fix. She had enough pressure on herself trying to raise me and my sister. And so I really tried to step it up and do everything I could around the house to keep mom from having to hire somebody or find somebody to fix things cheap. So that's kind of how I came up. I didn't have a lot of choice sometimes. I had to fix things or it didn't get fixed. And I got really good at that sort of thing. Moving on ahead, when I was about 17 or so, my mom bought me a set of Popular Mechanics encyclopedias. There's a photo of those encyclopedias on the website. If you go there, it's DIYwithWayne.com. And I used those encyclopedias a lot to learn how to do things, moving forward. And even at age 18, I built a boat. Nice wooden, mostly spruce and pine and plywood kind of fishing boat. It's basically a John boat, but it's nearly 16 feet long, about 5.5 feet wide, so it's a decent sized boat. But I built that when I was about 18 years old. Moving on up, when I was only 21, I was living in a house. There was a shower. No other bathing facilities except for a shower. And my wife at the time wanted a bathtub. So we took the shower out. We installed a tub shower combination. I was only 21 years old when I did that. And progressing on from there, I've never been afraid to try things. If you look at this wall behind me, I installed this. There used to be a built-in fireplace. Built-in fireplace here. I took all that out. I installed my wood stove, which you can't see here, but you'll see it in some of the other videos. I did this wall. But just about anything that you could imagine around the house, I've been involved in repairing it, fixing it, building it, modifying it, whatever. Some of the videos you'll see will be of stuff that I designed that I've never seen anywhere except at my house. A lot of things that you'll see is things that broke and needed fixing. You'll see things related to plumbing, gardening, general household stuff, small tractors and implements, tools, safety things, just a lot of good general stuff with tips and hints that you yourself can use to save money around the house by doing it yourself. And that's what this channel is all about, is do it yourself, save yourself some money. And we are new at this. We'd really appreciate it if you would like our videos and if you would subscribe to our channel. It would really help us out. And we wish you a great day and hope you save a lot of money by watching our videos.